outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, they gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Damon Clay coming back with another video produced, created, and edited by your girl. So before we get into the video, you already know what time it is. I gotta remind you guys to make sure you are commenting, and subscribing to your girl. I am a small YouTuber. This is a small YouTube channel, so any and everything helps. And while you're at it, you might as well click that bell notification button because I post videos every Thursday and Sunday at 2:30 p.m. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, you guys, so as you can see by the thumbnail and the title, of course, we're doing another synthetic wig try on and review and stuff. This time around, I'm going to be doing a curly wig. As you can see, it's like a curly fro. And I got this wig in the color 1B just because I didn't really want to experiment with color right now. I just kind of wanted a nice little foundation of different wigs I can put on. So to start my wig application, I'm just going to take some alcohol on a cotton round and just start removing the foundation from the hairline of my face. Then of course I'm going to take my cap and put that on, and this is just going to help protect my hair from the combs. Then I'm going to take my foundation and gettily take it out with the rat tail comb end and start applying that to the lace of my wig. After the foundation was applied to the lace, I went ahead and put it on my head and adjusted it to where I felt like it was giving natural. Then I took a brush to just brush away any of the baby hairs. That way I didn't mess them up when I was doing the plucking process. And I decided to pluck because the hairline was just giving too wiggy. It was just very straight and rounded. And I decided to pull out a few hairs just to make it be a little bit more uneven. So of course I'm going to be using my Got To Be gel in the yellow bottle, and I started applying 2 thin layers to my forehead, and I didn't really give it any kind of time to dry in between pulling it on. So after I applied the gel, I went ahead and applied the wig, and then I got my black elastic band, applied it to my forehead, and just let that cure, dry, whatever you want to call it, until it was pretty much ready to start being customized. And now that the wig is on, I'm just gonna part the hair in the front of my wig that frames my face and just start taking some shears and cutting layers into it. And pretty much while the lace is drying onto my head, I'm just gonna be layering my hair. That way it just frames my face a little bit more, and it just gives realness, because who the hell wants to put on a frumpy dump, lumpy, and nobody having a wig on their head? Not me, and no. So just go ahead and enjoy the montage of me cutting layers into this wig. So as you can see, it literally went from frump to body, baby. So I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same thing on the other side. And now it's time to reveal what the lace is giving. And girl, where is the lace? Tell me. So now that we know what the lace is giving, we need to go ahead and cut the excess off. So I put the little slits in there, took my eyebrow razor and started to just remove as close to the hairline as I possibly could without nicking myself or cutting off any of the baby hairs.
Who better, you better, been around like hella.
And you know I have to do the same thing on the other side.
Come on, fellas, that ain't none of your biz. Got on your body suit, you know I'm on your ass today. Would you let me hit it thrice if I asked today? She know my stick nothing but magic.
And once that's done, I went ahead and took my Got To Be spray, added it to my hairline, and then put my elastic band back over my head. That way it can just lay down the lace even more. And to make the lace a little bit more natural, I'm just going to take one of my concealers and apply that to the part just to like deepen it a little bit more, widen it a little bit. And yeah. Then I'm going to take my right tooth comb and pull out the baby hairs, cut them down to size, and take my little brush and do the little soupy soup action. You feel me? Do the little wrist action, whatever. And yeah, once that's done, I am going to take my hot comb and just, you know, lay it down where it needs to be laid down. And yeah, go ahead and enjoy the outro. Alright you guys, so this is the end result of the wig. Let me get up close so you guys can see what the hairline is looking like. And as you guys saw in the actual video, literally that lace blended in so seamlessly with my skin. Like, I can't believe synthetic wigs have come this far. If you want a wig, like you want a nice quality wig that gives a luxury and gives like $300, you know, $300 vibes, sis, then you definitely need to go on either Amazon or on hairstylefly.com and look at all their synthetic wigs, because I swear this is an entirely new like lane of hair and stuff, you know. Few specks on the hair, like few cons and stuff. It is not that big. It's not big enough for my head size. So if you're somebody who has a I want to say 21.5 or 22 inch circumference around your head, this wig will actually be a little too small. But you know, it's so big that it really would not even matter. There's nothing else bad I can say about this wig, to be honest. It's definitely giving realness, and I'm actually super surprised with like how it came out. Yeah, there's not too much shine on the wig. It's thick, you know. It actually looks like it's worth $300 or more, and the HD lace is actually HD, as y'all saw. Like, I literally was pointing out where the lace was, and it was just so seamless and stuff. Let me know how you guys like the wig. I actually did put some layers into it just because it wasn't really, you know, giving. You have to shape these wigs to your hair frame, your head frame and stuff. Let me know in the comment section down below if you like this wig, if you will rock it. There will be links down below as well for the wig, and then the wig that I had in the previous video as well, just in case you guys didn't so happen to watch it. But if you didn't watch it, go ahead and click either here or here in the tab up there so you can go ahead and see what that wig was giving. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching my hair video. Please make sure you guys are like, commenting, and subscribing. And while you're at it, you might as well click that bell notification button, because I post videos every Thursday and Sunday at 2:30 p.m. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, and see you next time.